3, 2, 1.
This is about the sunroof drains. And we got these push fittings for the drain tube and a new drain elbow. This part rots off. So inside here around the corner, this is where they are. And you can see that drains out. So when the part rots off, water comes into the vehicle here along this wiring loom.
And then, yeah, your wiring loom gets soaked down here, and then you have a whole lot of problems.
Yeah. Yeah, the rear drain runs pretty far. Some other spares, I have these sunroof drains. So I got a bag full of those. And these push fittings are the same size as the sunroof drain tube. So you can cut it and extend it if you need to. Here's one that's all rotted away. And here's the replacement. One thing of note is that the replacement has an inner adapter. So it's 2 pieces actually. But this is where it always rots, and then instead of going through the plug and into the body panel, it just goes right into the interior. So there it is in position, and that plug is through the body. It's really tight there. And as for being a 2-piece system, you can see on the pipe here we've got this adapter, and that makes it easy to put this in. So these are pretty good. Hey, let's take a look at this this drain. Yeah, I think we should.
Come on in.
Thank you.
You like my MacGyver setup there?
Yeah, I love it.
I figured it's the safest way to stay hydrated.
Here's a rotted out drain. Where's the new one? This is the part that breaks off, huh?
Seems like that was it. Either it rotted off, or there's a good chance with me wiggling all this stuff around back here, pulling panels off, maybe it broke off when I was doing that. It reminds me while we're doing this to check the other side.
Okay.
Off. I've never tried to pick one of these off before. Let's see how hard it is. Oh, that was pretty easy. Fucking idiots united around here.
Well,
now, interestingly,
that's going to be a problem.
that doesn't work out so well. Maybe it goes this way.
No, it doesn't. I mean, but
Andy,
yeah.
did you get the right part?
Well, I just got that part.
So the original compared to the new one is slightly different. Also, the angle is a little...
Oh, yeah.
It's interesting because the tube on this looks bigger than this one, but it's actually narrower.
Huh.
Doing some tactical surgical precision. This is what the dealer recommended, I think.
I do too.
I'm going to do 4 just to
Oh, you're really going to have some room to wiggle.
not have too many pressure points. And hopefully not have any leaks as well. So, just about a centimeter. There we go.
Nice.
And then you just really spread it on there. That's not going anywhere. Yeah.
So here's the old one. And it's kind of all rotted out. Oh, you're saying it went there, huh? So the reason this leaks, I guess, is that end rots off, and then the water just comes inside here under the wiring loom instead of going out of that hole into the fender well. Here's the end of that drain. Those arrows were coming down. The temporary internal reservoir was a good solution.
I think it works just as good as stock.
Yeah. Plus, you got clean drinking water.
Yeah, you got your safety reserve radiator water in case your radiator blows up.
Do that. I think I got it. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, nice. Got it.
It's not really all the way in.
So there's a small lip at the very end right here.
Watch memes.
Okay.
Start over. Go.
See the edge of this?
Mm-hmm.
It has to go in all the way up to this.
Yeah, you gotta get it locked on.
You got to lock it on. So I think you have to apply quite a bit of force.
And you just smash it.
I'm going to have to use two hands and move this loom a little.
Yeah. Inner sleeve revealed. A two-part system.
Two-part. Put the one on its own. Nice.
I don't even see that actually going on there.
I think it can.
I mean, I think it's supposed to.
I don't know. It's not threading on.
And we let the professionals get to work, and Andy's done it. Nice. We'll do the other side now?
Oh, it's a tighter spot.
That's a fucking beauty too, ain't it?
Okay.
Add that to the group. Anyone know why there's a weird valve that catches all your leaves?
Yeah, and I wonder why they get clogged. And then when they're clogged must be when they kind of get brittle from stuff
it's the
being in there.
OEM leaf catcher.
Yeah, yeah. Wow.